Corn, it's your best day. Today you gonna drive a car for the first time.
Oh my god, yes. What's the deal after driving?
The deal's it's when you finished riding, you get driver's license.
K.
Oh, hi Pumpkin. How it's your skin?
Yes, it's good, but the nurse said that green syringe heals more. I heard that Corn drives for the first time.
Yep, that. Because since Corn was sickle disease, we are sick, and he had to drive with a rolling skates. It might be slow, so I have to teach him how to drive. But he knows cause I'm driving.
Well, okay, I guess he could drive, but only careful.
Hi. I'm gonna go in. I just fall car fault, but I need to try again. Let's go.
Do you hear a crash?
Yes, I think it was Corn. Follow me.
Okay. Oh my god, I think Corn's dead. Let's go to hospital before it's rot light. A cheese?
So what happened?
Well, today he is gonna drive for the first time. When he drives, he doesn't know how to brake, so he crashed.
Okay, I will fix him until you tell him how to brake. He just rotten like Pumpkin. His bone on his butt.
I'm awake, where am I?
Same world.
Green syringe pulse?
Okay.
Yay, I'm back to normal.
Check a mirror.
Wow.
Clean, clean.
Are you okay? The brake is the other one. Paddle.
Yeah, I'm okay. And I know how to brake for 1 sec. Hugs to Melon, because Pumpkin needs a personal space.